County, southern Alamance County, southeastern Guilford County until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Elon College, or 9 miles southwest of Burlington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Burlington, Graham, Swepsonville, Alamance, Sefton, Lake Guilford, Macintosh Marina, Lake Macintosh Marina, Saxon-Pothawk, Evelyn, and Cane Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Guilford, and Orange. A severe